I'm Allie.
Hi, Allie. I'm Pete.
Oh, nice to meet you,
Nice to meet
Pete.
you.
Nice ride you got here.
This is the Honda Jet.
GE's involved as well.
Yeah,
right?
Honda and GE have partnered to make this incredible engine on this aircraft. This is the GE Honda HF 120 engine.
How do you get this much power out of something so small?
Well, it's a very efficient, compact design. The diameter of this fan is about 18.5 inches.
That's a relatively small jet engine for GE to build, right?
It is the smallest jet engine that they're involved in, yes.
A lot of the commercial planes have the jet engines below the wing, and I understand a lot of the smaller jets have them, connected to the fuselage?
Yeah.
This is on the wing. What's up with that?
First of all, this unique engine configuration reduces drag. Secondly, it allows for more use of the cabin space. And the third reason is noise and vibration is transmitted to the wing and not directly into the fuselage near the passengers.
But is it cool on the inside?
Let's take a look.
Can I look in there?
Absolutely.
Oh, all right, here we go. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I can maybe get used to this.